Dang, this Parker's doing. Shoot, Johnny's step side? That's sick. What's up, guys? We're less than 1 week away from our annual giveaway. All you gotta do to get entered into this giveaway, buy the brand new GSI calendar. That's your entry. This year is the same as it was last year. We're gonna give away a front kit, but it's a little bit different this year. This year, you get to pick between coilover or air ride. We got a lot of air ride guys and we got a lot of static guys out there, so it's your choice. We're gonna let you pick. We're gonna give this bad boy away this year at our annual Christmas party. So all the guys are gonna be there. The whole crew's gonna be there. We're gonna have the big TV. We're gonna do the wheel spinny thing. And when that spinny thing lands on your name, you gotta answer the phone. Because if you don't answer the phone, we're going to the next person. Maybe we'll give you a ring one more time, but you gotta answer the phone to win the front kit. You gotta play to win. So Saturday, 6 p.m., our Christmas party will be live on Instagram. Be there, check it out, pick up the phone if we call you, because you may win.